Number two, $1,000 bond, 5% coupon, semi-annual, 30-year life, market rate of interest is 4%. What would the bond sell for? Let me jump back to the previous problem. In this one, the coupon rate was 3%, the market rate of interest was 4%. If you're going to sell a bond that's paying less interest than the market, you're going to have to put it on sale, or the bond is going to sell at a discount. So it's going to sell for something less than $1,000. And if you just did problem one, you know that you came up with a price of 800 and some dollars. This problem is the same, except on this one, the coupon rate is 5%, which is greater than the market rate of interest. So I know before I even start that if a bond is paying more interest than the market, it's going to sell for a premium. So the answer I get is going to be more than $1,000. So you got that little mental check to use to make sure you're doing these right. So let's get going. This has a 5% coupon, but that's annual. It's paying interest every 6 months, so we need to divide that by 2. That's going to be 2.5. To find out what the interest payment's going to be every 6 months, we're going to take that rate and state it as a decimal, take it times the face value of the bond, and that's going to give us the interest payment. In this case, 25 bucks. The life of the bond is 30 years, but it pays interest every 6 months. So there's going to be 2 periods every year, which means we're dealing with 60N. Okay, so now let's plug this in. My payment is $25. When the bond matures, the owner of the bond will get their $1,000 back. So I need to put in a $1,000 future value. I have 60N. My rate is going to be 4% divided by 2, which is 2%. Again, calculator expects a percentage, so I do not convert this to a decimal. That's going to be 2i. What is my present value? 1173.80. One word of caution, if you've done this and you're not getting the right answer, make sure you're hitting gold clear all before you execute the problem, because all of these are memory banks, and it is that gold clear all that will clean out whatever is in those banks from the previous problem.